Hello guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about cell. What is cell? How many types of cells are there? What are the organelles which are present in cell? What are their functions? What the organelles do? So let's start our video. Cell is the basic unit of life. सेल इज़ द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. अगर सेल नहीं होगा तो हम जी नहीं सकते हैं. एक ऑर्गेनिज्म को जीवित रहने के लिए सेल की आवश्यकता है. विदाउट सेल नो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म कैन सर्वाइव ऑन अर्थ. डिफरेंट सेल्स हैव डिफरेंट शेप, साइज एंड फंक्शन. एक सेल हमेशा एक ही प्रकार के नहीं होते हैं. उनके अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं. उनका शेप अलग हो सकता है, साइज अलग हो सकता है और फंक्शन भी. So a human body contains trillion of cells. We can't imagine how many cells we have, but there are trillion of cells which are present in our body. So this is a diagram of cell, animal cell. Here are the organelles. The main organelles which are present in all cells are cell membrane, cytoplasm and DNA. Nucleus. These are present in all types of cells. So the function of cell membrane is to cover the cell. Cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane. In cell membrane, there are lipids are found. It is made up of lipids. Cytoplasm is a fluid jelly-like substance which is present between the nucleus and the cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called as semi-permeable membrane because it only sends the important things inside and it only exits the waste products outside. So DNA is nothing but genetic materials which are present in nucleus. So here you can see a plant cell diagram. So a plant cell is different from animal cell because of just one thing, that it has a special membrane which is called as cell wall, which is the outer part of the cell. Cells are of two types, that is eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is a complete cell which contain a nucleus and all the organelles which is required to a human body and its cell. But prokaryotic cell is about, it has only some materials. No, it does not contain a complete nucleus. So this is a flowchart of a cell. Cell contains cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Nucleus contain nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus and chromatin fibers which is genetic materials. Cytoplasm contains cell organelles, which cell organelles are floating on cytoplasm. As I said that cytoplasm is jelly-like fluid. So its cell organelles are endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, lysosomes, centromes, plastids, etc. So every organism needs cell to be alive, either organism with single cell or groups of cells. Single-celled organisms are known as unicellular and group of cells organisms are called as multicellular. It not need to be that a group of cells means multicellular organism need tissue. They can be with only cell or without tissue. The example for this type of organism is sponges, which are found in Porifera phylum. So here is the flowchart of cell. So cell, a group of cell are known as tissues. A group of tissues will form an organ, and group of organs will form a organ system like digestive system, respiratory system, etc. And this organ system completely form a organism. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand.